In this video, we're going to learn how to use the ljust and rjust string methods in Python to left justify and right justify a string. So if we have a string like this, string is equal to text, we can left justify or right justify this text within another string using the ljust or rjust string methods. So for example, we could have here right justified is equal to, and we'll have string.rjust, and we'll call it with the argument 10. What this will do is right justify this string's text within a string of length 10 characters. And the unused characters are by default going to be the blank space character. So if we output this new string right justified that is returned from the rjust method, we're going to find the string is now right justified. So we'll save this and run our program. And here we can see the string is now right justified within a field of width 10 characters because we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 characters here. And then we have the 4 characters from the original string. So that's what it means to right justify the string. Now we can change the fill character that's used to add this padding. By default, it's going to be the blank space character, but if we supply a second argument to the rjust function, we can change that character. So we could have here star. And then if we save our program and run it, now the star character is used instead to add the padding to the string in order to right justify it. Now, if this first argument here is less than the length of the original string, it's not like the string is going to be truncated. So for example, if we had 3 here, it's not going to truncate text down to tex. We'll just get the string text. So if we save this and run it, we get the string text. Now the ljust method works exactly the same way, except it's going to left justify the string. So here, if we have ljust, and then we'll change this argument back to 10, and we'll change our variable name to left justified, we can now test out this version. So we'll save the program and run it. And we can see that the original string has now been left justified within this new string. And the star character is again used to add padding until we get to 10 characters total in length. Now there is also a center method which will center the string. So for example, we could have center here instead, and we'll change this variable name to centered. So we'll have centered here and then centered here, and center will center the string. So if we save the program and try it out, now we see the original string is centered within the new string with padding characters applied equally to the left and right hand sides of that string. So this is how we can use the ljust and rjust string methods in Python to left justify and right justify a string. Check out portfoliocourses.com, where we'll help you build a portfolio that will impress employers.